Here's the first official hands-on look at One UI 7.0. Samsung disappointed fans today by announcing at its developer conference that the Android 15-based One UI 7 update won't be officially released until next year. Despite months of development, an early build of the software was spotted running on a Galaxy S24 Ultra at the event, giving us our first real preview of One UI 7 in action. The YouTube channel Abhijit Mishra leaked a video showcasing One UI 7.0 on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, offering a glimpse of the new interface. As anticipated, One UI 7 brings a major design overhaul. From app icons to the notification shade and quick toggles, everything has been revamped. Samsung has also redesigned the camera interface, shifting most controls to the bottom for easier one-handed use, a core principle of One UI's design. This updated camera interface is clearly visible in the video. Here we have the list of eligible devices for One UI 7.0 beta. Galaxy S series, Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy S24 Plus, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy S23 Plus, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, Galaxy S22 Ultra, Galaxy S22 Plus, Galaxy S22, Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, Galaxy S21 Ultra, Galaxy S21 Plus, Galaxy S21, Galaxy Z series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 4, Galaxy Z Flip 4, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy S series, Galaxy S73, Galaxy S55, Galaxy S54, Galaxy S53, Galaxy S35, Galaxy S34, Galaxy S33, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S15 LTE plus 5G, Galaxy S14 LTE plus 5G, Galaxy Tab series, Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition Plus, Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition, Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, Wi-Fi/5G, Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, Wi-Fi/5G, Galaxy Tab S9 Wi-Fi/5G, Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, Wi-Fi/5G, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, Wi-Fi/5G, Galaxy Tab S8 Wi-Fi/5G, Galaxy F series, Galaxy F55, Galaxy F54, Galaxy F34, Galaxy F15, Galaxy M series, Galaxy M55, Galaxy M54, Galaxy M34, Galaxy M53, Galaxy M33, Galaxy M15. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.